Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Domilin Balenja Castillo. I live in Philippines, 39 years old. My height 149 centimeter. My weight 55 kilo. Single mother of my two children. My son is 16 years old. My daughter is 11 years old. My highest educational attainment, undergraduate of college. About my working experience, I was working in Saudi Arabia as a housekeeper and four months. There are four member, one couple aged 36 and 39 years old, with two young children, one girl 2 years old, one boy 3 years old. My main duty is taking care of their children, change the diaper, feed them, and also playing with them. Also, that I do household chores like cleaning, washing dirty clothes, cooking, and ironing. I have also 4 years experience in Philippines. There are three members in the family, age 35, 39 years old, with one young children, boy, 3 years old, and have one cat. My main duty is also taking care of baby, feed them, and also taking care of them. I'll do household chores like cleaning, washing, dirty clothes, cooking, gardening, car washing, and I'm all around. Um, to my future employee, please choose me as your helper. I'm trustworthy person, hardworking, dedicated, willing to learn, the task given. If you choose me to become your housemaid, I promise to do my duties. I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you.